we're playing Little Ape. Little Ape is a scary game. I'm here with my friend. He's crazy. Oh, the monster. Uy, the monster is stuck. The monster is stuck. The monster is stuck. Uy, God. I blew up, guys. It's been a long time since I posted a video. Uy, stop laughing. It's not funny. Stop laughing. It's not funny. It's so big. It's so big. The giant's so big. Sorry. Sumabog. I blew up, guys. Oh no. I have to start again. Stop laughing. It's not funny. Oh my gosh. My friend is so crazy. Stuck na naman. The monster is stuck again. It's so big. Hi. Hello. Bubble ka ba? Oh no, the monster is going to the mountain. Oh! Oh, hinabla ko. Talon-talon ka, boy. Yun lang pag-asa mo. My friend is so crazy. He laughs so hard. He's crazy. If I explode here, I will do a face reveal. Stop laughing. It's not funny. Sumabog ka. Hinabol ako, boy. Oh, bakit? Stop laughing. It's not funny. Your breath smells so bad. Stop laughing. Uy, boy. May multo dito. Oh my gosh, so many monsters. What do I do? Oh. Oh my gosh, so many monsters. So many monsters are chasing. Hey, my friend is racist. Oh, the giant is here. The red giant. If I die, if I explode here, I will do a face reveal. Hi, giant. Hello. Okay, guys. After this video, I will do a face reveal. I explode. Okay, let's go to the giant again.
Oh my god, this monster.
My friend is speaking is very crazy. He looks like he's a big dog.
Hi, monster. Manok.
But I'm not meant to bully him. He's my friend. Oh my gosh. The monster is climbing. What do I do? Uy!
Sumabog ka.
Oh, I blew up, guys. Sometimes my Filipino. Uy!
Muntik ako dun.
Sometimes my Filipino accent slips out.
May multo.
So, I'm sorry, guys.
Nahabol yung orange ng multo. Blah, 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 blah.
I'm very sorry, guys, if I don't. Oh, stop talking. It's not funny.
So funny.
Sometimes, guys, my Filipino accent. Dahil na nag-i-intro ako eh. So, guys, sometimes my Filipino accent slips out. So, I don't complete my English. My friend is very crazy, guys. He's being chased by a monster. He's being chased by a monster, guys. You crazy. Let's...
Hello, monster big.
If we hit like 10 subscriber, guys. If we hit 10 subscriber, I'm gonna vlog. Okay. Oh my gosh! Someone exploded because of the monster. Hi, Giant! 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 Giant, chill. Just chill. Just chill, bro. Just chill. Just chill. Just chill, bro. Chase my friend. Chase my friend. Yes, yes. Yes, chase my friend. Chase my friend. Stop laughing. It's not funny.
Original.
Hey, friend. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
Aso.
Aso. What is aso?
Aso?
Aso in
Dog,
English
dog, dog,
is dog.
Dog.
And dog in Tagalog is aso.
Dog and...
Oh my gosh!
Dog and pusa.
Dog and pusa, the cat is pregnant. Oh my gosh, I exploded.
Yap.
My friend is very crazy. He has mental. I'm just joking. He's just crazy. He doesn't have mental, but he just crazy. Isan ka na, boy?
Buli, wataling ganding. Nahabol ako ng higanding to.
Ay, pahabol tayo dun sa kulay gray.
Hindi na ako mahabol, hindi siya makalakad.
Hi, bro.
Sumabog ako sa gray.
Sumabog nga din ako eh. Wait lang ba, hintayin mo? Guys, I died. My friend died also. He's the green one right there. He's the green one. He's the green one right there. Please, guys, please don't hate me for having no English accent. I'm just a small creator helping my parents.
Giant.
Sometimes the Philippines hits typhoon. Last month, Philippines got hit by a super typhoon. It's super typhoon Uwan. Fungwong. My gosh, bro!
Where are you?
Uy, boy, nabulaw ng gray. My gosh.
Punta ka sa
The gray monkey is not big. Ang lit-lit niyan
Nagulat ako.
is chasing me. Why is stuck siya, boy? Nakastuck.
Nakastuck dahil doon sa may isang player.
Yung gray na bula ko. Hi, gray. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna explode again. The monkey is here. The monkey is here.
Ito yung gray.
Ikaw yung tumalon, boy.
Kaya ako.
Lago.
Tara, return tayo. Yung kanya ito.
Wait lang, boy, gumago. Okay, guys, this will be the end of my video.
Wait, don't end.
Bye, guys. Okay, bye, guys.